Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. I'm Nicole. Okay, today from the intro, you can see we are at Ace Supercenter, and Ace Supercenter is a home and garden store that is located in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica, and it's a store that specializes in home and garden stuff. As you can see here on your screen, lot of stuff for your homes, and I'm just gonna take you around. The boys are here with me as well. So as you can see here, they have some watering cans with fine rows, and they have all different types, colors, shape. And what's the price there? What, $3,000, what, $4,000 for that one? So these are available in different price. That one's a little bit expensive, but the plastic ones are much more affordable. They have garden hoses, all different lengths, size, shape, brands, and so forth. I think this one here, Flexogen, that one is what, $9,000. It's a 75 feet one here, Contractor Plus. This one is a more of a commercial industrial type. Smart Flex, just a variety. And I must tell you, if you are overseas, you can shop online. All you have to do is just go to their website, you make your order, you pay with your credit card, and you can allow somebody in Jamaica to pick it up. Right? I'm not sure if they do delivery service. So if you're overseas and you want to spend some money, spruce up your yard, spruce up your garden, you can just go on their website, Ace Supercenter, make your order, and allow somebody to go in store and pick up your items. So you have some toilet bowl covers here. And I must tell you that they have stuff for your home, for your garden, for your farm, pharmaceutical stuff like veterinary items for animals. They have those, but this video is just focusing on the home and garden stuff. So they have a lot of gloves, protective gear, shovel, and what's the price on this one? Let's see, it's a $2,000, $2,000 something dollars. So you can see there, and this is the tool that I use to edge. So if you see me edging, these are the edging tools. That one is for $2,000 something dollars. I think this one is for $3,500 or $4,000. I think it's $4,000, $5,800. So it raised, right? So this one is much more sturdier than the one that I have, which is this one right here. And I must say they are of good quality, because this is where I purchase most of my stuff, if not all. So they have some lapping shear over there for your pruning and so forth. And they have these small secateurs. And you have all different varieties, guys. You have the high-end one, the lower end, the mid-range ones. They have machetes, and these machetes for start from $850. Just gonna go over to these equipment now. They have some more over here. This one have the bag, it actually bags the clipping, and this one is for what, $58,800 and something dollars. So you have to do, if you're overseas, you have to do the conversion in terms of Jamaican to US. See another one here. I'll show you the price on this one. So it's a $70,000. These are heavy duty. It's a Remington right there. So a Snapper brand. Down here we have an electric pruning machine right here that you can use to prune your flowers, your hedging and so forth. Also have some mist blower. These are the handheld mist blower. I would love to have one of these when I have the money. Come back and get one of those. So as you can see, they have a variety of stuff. They have a Poland Pro chainsaw right here. Not a lot of chainsaw, but maybe they're out of stock. These are some mist blower right here. And you have the weed eater right there section as well. That's where. So if you have somebody who you want to buy a weed eater, you're overseas, string trimmer, they have them. This one is the FS250 with the bike angle. FS250, right? Not sure of the price for this. This is the FS38. That's the smaller one. That one is going for, I think, $38,000. And this is just for a small application. I don't advise anyone to buy these, because I actually bought one and trust me, give peer trouble. The bigger the machine is, the better it is. The better you buy more machine than less machine. Trust me. So around this side now we have, these are the stuff for your string trimmer and so forth, where they have the strings, parts for your mower, wheels and so forth. And these are where you have your agrochemicals. So if you want stuff for your plants, fertilizers, weedicide, insecticide, you can get it. So you have some little miniature orchids here on display. So quite a few items, guys. Some feed, some seedling trays here. I was gonna say feed trays. Some seedling trays here on the ground. You have fertilizers, all different types, shape, brand, formulations. It is here for your plants, for your vegetables. So as I said again, if you're overseas, you can order online and you can have somebody go in store and pick it up. That's how convenient they are. I don't think they do delivery as yet, but maybe they are getting there. And all of this is because of, the big C. Now over there you have some handheld sprayer. And that one is for what? 10,100 and something plus tax. And these are good. If you're a gardener, you want one of these. Trust me. This is a smaller one. And you can start small. That's what, $2,000 something. You can start small, and as you go along, your garden get bigger. You upgrade. These are some other handheld one. And down here now you have some knapsack sprayer. These are for your bigger applications. If you have a farm and so forth, you can buy one of those. I actually have one of those at school where I work, so I can tell you it works. And I have it for we have it for a very, very, very long time. So they are very good. Over here are some liquid fertilizers. And I am actually here to purchase some some chemical to actually kill some white flies that I have. I heard that one that is called, what is the name again? I don't remember the name, but I'm going to actually buy it today. So the boys them. I'm actually going to buy one of these fertilizer as well. The turf fertilizer for my lawn. I'm going to purchase one of these. And this is for what? $650. Very affordable. So I'm going to take one of these. And I'm just asking the gentleman now to carry the insecticide for me. And then I'm going to purchase some. I'm going to go to the area where they have the plants out in the nursery area. I'm going to put that in the next video. So I'm going to put that up as well. So if you want to see that video, that is going to be like a part 2 to this video. So you can see that at the end in a different part. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to encourage you to come down to a super center. This is the chemical that I'm actually going to buy. It's called Caprid, and this one is good for white flies, for aphids, all the sucking insects, for scale insects. This is good for sting bugs. Very, very effective. So I'm going to do a video on this as well. If you want to see that video, check out the other videos on my YouTube channel. Just go to my video section and you're gonna see that. I maybe also put a link to that video in this video as well. So I have two items that I'm going to buy today. I'm going to buy the fertilizer plus the Caprid, and then I'm going to go out to the other section where I'm going to give you the part 2. So stay tuned for that. Thank you very much. I'm out.